Yo, what's up, YouTube? Just come here today. I want to talk about like credit and funding, how to get your funding. Subscribe to my channel. Click the link below if you want to learn more about everything. All right. So look, credit and funding is very important. I just came back to YouTube right now, so I am um recording this video. I'm gonna just record like 20, 30-minute videos every day and just put them out like boom for like a whole month straight, a whole nother month, back to back, a whole nother month until I pop. I know I'm gonna pop soon. I'm gonna go on SEO. Look, done is better than perfect. Like, it's because as you do it, you improve every time. So I'm just posting these videos out, bro. It's helping somebody. Like the last video I mentioned, check it out. That's like the whole concept behind everything I'm doing. Like, make money online for everybody. You guys, it's about you. It's not about me. I'm solving your problems. That's what it's about. So you probably how to get credit and funding, right? Most people get the funding first and they start things like e-commerce, automation, biz buy sell, self-funding businesses. They put it up towards a deal, stuff like that. So you need to come up with funding sources. All right, credit is great. Now, if you understand this, bro, yo, you understand this is crazy. Just go with the put it on. Just understand it and like, yo, I didn't understand that at first. It took me years, but if you understand this, yo, all right, hold on. As I'm recording this, I'm hooking this up right now. As I'm recording this, so um, give it a minute. Yeah. So look, you want to have credit on your personal side. You can have business credit, and like I said, horizontal like 10 Amexes. Your deals have to cash flow. But I'm gonna show you the advantages of um. There we go. Show you the advantages of doing it with both the credits, the pros, and then also yours with building your personal credit and your business credit. I was also having cash flow. Um, there we go. There's my camera. Having that. All right. So look, because this you could choose a risky investment, cash it out. Oops, it didn't work. It has nothing to do with you. So look, I know you can see here. This is important. Private internet access VPN. What else is important? This right here, Cherry Proxy. And if you can get remote desktop computer, you want this is where you can get RDPs. 10 a month. Alright, I'm gonna put you on right now. Look at this. Putting it on. It's about credits. How you come up with funding sources, right? Look at this. I want you to understand this concept. You can see the website here. I need to chill out because I might not. This is the only video I'm gonna show y'all. Next video's on. I'm not gonna show y'all because you can't be showing too much here because it's some sensitive people. It goes through automatic reviews and manual reviews, and they might manually see and be like, "Oh, it's showing information, blah blah," like in the wrong. No, I'm just trying to educate you guys and put y'all on because it's here for a reason. People taking advantage of it. It could help you. So look, this is fire. This is fire right here. This is fire right here. Yo, this is fire. I want y'all to go here and read this. You see this? Read this right here. Look at this. It has 3 trade lines of 50K. Yo, that's fire. Right, I want y'all to read that. And then look at this. Oh man. Shit is lit. Nah, this shit is lit. Look at this. It's like, look at that. That's lit right there. Yo, not even 620 and you lit. You could get Apple Card, the Apple Card, the CC. You could get Synchrony, the CC. You could get Gemini, the CC. Care Credit, the CC. Once you get the VCC, now I'm really putting you on. Yo, once you get that info right here, this that they give you, I just want y'all to understand the concept, because if you read this, you can literally, there's more sites like this. It's this word right here that's powerful. There's more sites like this. Look, I want to go here, right? Oh man, this is lit right here. You want to go here? Look, oh man, this is lit. Look. Oh man, this is lit. Yo, with this right, like with this right here, and yo, and this, and then you go here. You can literally create it like this or whatever. Alright, or you can also go here, right? Putting your own right now for real. Shit is lit. I wish somebody like put me on like this. Look, it's called this right here. This right here. Right here. Ah, they changed it to that. Alright, whatever the case may be. It's like 400. Who cares? This is like 650 plus 4. Who cares? I'm gonna tell you why. Like, it's gonna help you. You know why this is gonna help you? Once you got this alone, you don't need anything else. Just this alone, you could get the Apple, you could get this, and you wanna know how you getting it? I mean, they're gonna give you the virtual card, but you could also do something called this right here. So you go here, right? And you go here, right? Boom. And then look, you're paying $1 there. Damn, it's some crazy shit. Alright, basically, yeah. Or once you apply, you could call them and be like, I moved addresses, and you hopefully you got the VCC and all that, and then you could also touch the plastic. It's just better that way. You put it in your wallets and all that. Oh man, this shit is about to be crazy. Like, you don't understand. You could merge them. You could literally have like 17 of these. This is really credit, or I'm gonna put you on right now. How long is my video? Let me see. Nah, this video is valuable. I can go 20 minutes every day. I don't care. I'm putting it on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Another thing, when you build these, Meet Ava, Lockbox, and Credit Strong is good, but this is already coming built. It already has 3 trade lines. You can just add primaries. They're like shopping carts. So you can go to Crown Jewelry. I'm gonna create another video on this soon. Is this like a credit program? You pay, look. There's some where you pay like 200, you get like 2,500 primaries reported. So it's like, what does your credit stand on itself? Like, that's important, bro. So like, and all right, banks give you money, but credit unions are the ones giving larger amounts than banks. Now that's important for you to know. All right. So look, all right, you get these, bro, all the credits, the profiles, all that shit lit. All right, now this is how you grow, right? Say you like, all right, you got 15 of those, and now you got 17 of these. You want to grow the credit, get personal and business credit, all of them. I told you the advantages on the CPs versus personal and business, because personal and business, you take care of it, you make sure it cash flows. Those, you can literally, yeah, credit is money. So I'm telling y'all. But alright, boom. This is what you want to get. Yo, this is lit. Yo, nah, this is lit. Look. This is lit. Yo, nah, this is what you need right here. Oh, alright, so you have a consulting business, an e-commerce business, and you just add PDFs on the e-commerce site, a Fiverr, you pay 200, and you have a product that's like a 10,000, 5,000, and you're gonna have the CPs done, which is you support your business. Look. You want right here? It could be this right here. Perfect, right here. Look. Oh man, once you got that, you go right here, you pay those fees. Skrrr, this is perfect, bro. This and this. Oh man, let's just say you. Oh, I heard like Delaware and all that. You can follow in other states and they ship it to you. It's around like the general. It's not that it's worth it. Like you gotta build credit, and then you can get like net 30s. This site alone has trade lines, business credit. Oh my god, bro. Just trade lines alone, and then once you get one of these, yo, you could go on Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, and you can also do it on this side. Look, look, yo, this is lit right here. These are look, 900K, 900K credit lines, bro. This shit is lit. And then you got net 30s, and if you could buy like H Corps and put them together. Yo, this is that video right here. There's no other like mine. I swear, there's no other like mine. Over 5 years. Look. Oldest, right? Oh, look. Oh man, 9 bands. Look, 6 bands. Oh, there you come over here. Pay the 2 bands. Look what's going. Yo, you're gonna have an LLC that's like fucking 6 years old plus. Over 5 years old. 900K credit lines times 5. That's gonna be lit. All you need is to have it stand on something, so you could go right. Yo, this is that video right here. I swear, you gotta invest in credit, right? You think it's gonna give you more back? They're gonna throw you more money because you look responsible. This is important. All right, boom. Um, Look right here. Oh man, yo, this is it right here. This is it right here. This is what you want to get. Look. Monthly 200. All right, look. Oh, now you got to invest in credit. Look. It's going to show like you pay the installment on it. Yo, then you're going to be valid. You can have fleet cards, a bunch of phones. Your credit cards are going to be hitting for a higher amount. You want to do maybe federal, FNBO. It's credit unions that are giving you higher amounts than banks. Bro, this is that video right here. Shit. And then once you sell those phones, you want to set it up so you sell it online, like eBay, Mercury, all of that, and it's hitting your PayPal LLC checking. You could get a PayPal business checking. Look, boom. But right here alone, it says, look, business banking offer right there. We're gonna give you all the documents. You can take all those documents to a bank and open a bank account. You could call them on the phone too, but preferably go in person with all the documents and open it. Look, and then once you sell all those phones, you finance. Once you sell it, you could pay the 1,000 or whatever, the tax fees, whatever. It's not even 100. You can get like 20 phones on the LLC side, 5 person, and it's gonna every time it sells, it's gonna hit your business checking. Preferably, you want it to hit this one right here, a business checking offer right here on business, right? Because you can get the documents and get like a Bank of America, um, one of those major ones like Chase, SunTrust, PayPal, and then once it's hitting those deposits from the cell phones you've got, yo, this is where it's at. This is where it's at. Look, this is the goal right here. This is the goal right here. Look, Yo, predict the. Look. Nah, this is where it's at, right here. And there's more sites. You gotta look into it. Half a mil credit loan. They're gonna give you a loan because you complete the application with no impact to your personal. It's just a business credit. I'm telling you, you basically look. You gotta show that you have over 5K in deposits in your business checking for over 3 months, because you're gonna give them last 3 months statements with all the documents you're gonna get when you purchase from like Incfile and all that. Cause they give you all the documents. Yo, this is lit. Look, this is lit right here. This right, oh man, this is what you need right here. This is how you can come up with the funding to do businesses like e-commerce. You could then go run Best Buy Sell, consulting. You can scale these businesses, automation, you have partnerships, M&A. This is how you get the funding for that. Like, nah, this is fire right here. You gotta run these trades. You gotta invest in credit. Like, you get a job and all that. This is gonna help you. Yo, this is fire. Yeah, bro. I hope you guys, leave a comment on the description saying credit and crypto. This is what this is all about. Like, this is getting the money for real, like straightforward. But there's other things like personal brand, agency, consulting, M&A. But this is just straightforward, straight to the bag. Credit and crypto. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. My affiliate links in the description. Anything you want to learn more in the description. Yo, this video was like not even 20 minutes and it was fire. I got straight to the point. Nobody never made a video like this. They always going on about all this other fluff. I made the best video, I swear. And it's like the first time I showed y'all like my screen with this with the sites and everything. Nobody's gonna do that. They're gonna say, oh, you gotta hit me up on Telegram if you want to learn more. You gotta click the link in the description if you want to learn more about all of this. I just showed y'all everything. Hope y'all take advantage of this. It helps y'all. Like I told y'all, I'm making my videos like 20 minutes because I want more watch time at first. So I'm gonna keep like telling y'all it's about like, all right, it's about me solving your problems and creating more equity in you guys and getting my karma in the back end. Yes, I gotta get it on my own. I gotta get it too, as well as getting it from helping others solving their problems as well, which is even 10 times more. But it's built all upon this. And yeah, I hope this video helped over y'all. Again, leave a like, subscribe, comment below, credit, crypto. Peace out.